Hey guys, Aaron here with DIY Home Repair. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I took my old outdated fireplace that looked like this and turned it into this. Okay, a couple quick things to note before we get into this. One, I did forget to record the sanding and priming phase of this. So to kind of do a quick recap, I sanded for about 15-20 minutes. It was pretty quick. I was just trying to take the shine off the fireplace. And for the primer, I used the same process that I used for the first and second coat of paint. I also used the spray gun for that, just because I think it sticks a little bit better. And the other thing you might want to note is that you may want to tape off the walls and the carpet as well. I'm going to repaint the walls anyways, and I wasn't too worried about the carpet as I'm going to replace that as well. But that's it. So let's get to it. Now there's a couple things I'm going to do before I start tiling. One, I'm going to get all my tiles laid out just so I can make sure all the veins are kind of flowing in the same direction. This just tends to look a little bit more professional. And two, I'm going to try to get all my cuts made before installing the tile. This way I don't have to worry about the thin set drying out, or if I make a bad cut for some reason, I have time to go back and redo the cut. So one issue I've run into almost every time I've used a tile leveling system is that you have one or two clips that don't want to come out. So the easiest way I've found to get those out is actually to heat up the blade of a utility knife and just cut them out. It will melt the plastic and they should come out pretty easily.
Hey guys, thanks again for watching. And if you're not currently a subscriber, make sure you click the link below and become one. We got lots of new great content coming out in 21. So if you have any thoughts or projects you'd like to see us work on in the future, make sure you comment below.